Hey inmates, very quick one. Have you ever thought what it might be like to swap out your lenses on your D4s or your D7s or your D2s or your DMs for amber lenses or selective yellow? First up, I've just swapped out the clear lenses for amber. Have a look at what you think it's like, and we'll just do a comparison right here on this bike. If I turn off the D7s, 1, 2, 3, there we go, we've just got the it's not bad, is it? So excuse the T3s, they're coming on as well for full beam. Well, you can certainly see this bike coming. These are the spot versions, they're not the hybrid ones because I haven't got any in stock at the moment, they've all sold out, but more are coming in literally in the next week. So if you like a set of these ambers, then link down below, get them ordered straight away. I think they're pretty cool. Okay, let's put on the selective yellow. Okay, so here we are with selective yellow. I think I'm going to like these. I haven't even seen these on yet. I haven't even turned them on before I hit record on the camera. So let's find out what it's like. Whoa! Oh, they're nice. They are really nice. That is pretty cool. I do like that a lot. So if you like this, the selective yellow, which is very dazzling, I've got to admit, very dazzling, then link down below. Got loads of these in stock, so we can get these out to you pretty quickly. Alright, I hope this has been a help. Oh, let's have a look at the bike again, just with white lights. Okay, and here we are back with the straightforward white lights. I've got the D7s turned off. So let's turn that on, and there we are. Just good old clear lenses. Let's turn the D7s back on. Very cool.